Hello, my name is Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to install the handles, add the bumpers, and make all necessary adjustments. Now I'm ready to install the handle set. This handle is going to be my interior handle, and this handle is going to be my exterior handle. I'll start by inserting the latch first into the panel, my 2 screws inside the interior side of the handle, and now I can fasten the handle sets together. Make sure you hand tighten your screws to prevent damage to the escutcheon plate. To check the operation of the lock, flip your latch and ensure it unlocks and locks smoothly. Now it's time to install the keeper. This is the keeper for our mortise lock. This keeper has a slight hump to it on one side that's going to face the hole of the jamb. The high part of this hump is going to be on the bottom. We'll set it up against the jamb. It will not sit flush, but you're going to use your 2 screws to hold it in place and adjust as needed. I've now adjusted the keeper and tightened the screws. Now I can test out the latch onto the keeper. The empty hole on the other side of the jamb is going to be covered up with this plate and color matched screws. I'm now going to follow the same process, adding the handle, keeper, and plate to the right side of the door. We have our bumper, screw, and spacer. We'll just need 1 spacer per bumper, and it's going to be attached to the jamb, the small little hole above the keeper. We'll insert the screw into the bumper first. We have our spacer behind the bumper, and now we can attach it to the jamb. Now the bumper is attached to the jamb. Now I'm going to install the dust plugs. The high pile is going to go to the top and the low pile is going to go to the bottom. Each dust plug has an adhesive backing that will be peeled off and applied to the frame. The low pile will be applied to the track directly below where the 2 interlocks meet. The high pile will be applied to the header directly above where the 2 interlocks meet. At this time, you can now adjust the rollers of the panels. Take the weight off the panel, use your Phillips screwdriver, and turning the screw clockwise will raise the panel. Counterclockwise will drop the panel. Once your adjustments have been made, you can now install the track clip assembly. The track clip assembly is going to be attached to the side of the panel. We'll have to remove this screw, slide the clip on the leg of the track, and then fasten it using that same screw to the panel. To recap, I've now installed the handles, added the bumpers, and made all necessary adjustments. I'm Patrick Jameson, and thanks for watching.